So hi guys, thank you for watching. Nandito ako ngayon sa SM Telabastagan. I've seen from their Facebook fan page na weekend deals. So yun nga, upon checking, so they have 60% off. Some items are 60 pesos off. Some items are pay only 60 pesos. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna shop for my wife Joyce and for Isabel. So tara, tulungan niyo akong maghanap ng mga items para sa kanila. Stay with me up until the end of this video. I'm going to show you something amazing from the SM City Telabastagan team. So stay with me. So may customer tayo na i-interview and patingnan natin siya. Ayan. Hello ma'am! Sa Pampanga po tayo. So, bakit po tayo nandito sa SM City Telabastagan?
Actually, naging accessible kasi sa place namin. So, good thing may SM na malapit sa place namin.
And good thing right now may sale po tayo.
Yes, we're actually enjoying the 60% off.
Right. Okay, so you're buying for your baby? Okay, hi baby!
Hi!
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi!
That's okay. Thank you!
Thank you!
These are our shopping for today and we are going to pay now. Wow, shopping done. So right now we're gonna meet one of the SM City Telabastagan management, of course, to take them for allowing us to shoot inside the mall. So tingnan natin. And we're gonna meet Ma'am Camille. There she is. So thank you so much po for allowing us film yung shoot po nandito for today. So please say hi to our viewers po and then.
Hi! Welcome po sa SM Store Telabastagan. Please visit us at the SM Store Telabastagan for our monthly 60 weekend deals. Every month. Meron kaming 60 weekend deals.
Right. So watch out on their Facebook fan page. Thank you so much!
Thank you so much, Sharon Pampanga.
Yes. Bye!
Bye-bye!
Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more in just one stop. Here at SM, we've got it all. We've got it all. Lots of excitement, fashion, we've got it. A shopping experience for everyone. Here at SM, it's all at SM. Here at SM, we've got it all for you.
So we're here at SM City Telabastagan and guys, look at them, they are dancing for you guys. Hello!